Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. This is capital budgeting part 2. Okay, just now I have my first video. I have covered payback period and NPV for this revision video. So now I will continue using the same question. Alright, early cooperation planning investment. But now you have to proceed to question C, calculate internal rate of return. We have calculate payback, we have calculate NPV. Now we proceed to IRR. It's very important. You need to know the formula of IRR and for one project only. Remember, IRR, you have to calculate for one project only, which is X. Alright. Later I will share to you how to calculate IRR for project Y. But this question only asks you to calculate for project X. So as you can see, project X a constant cash flow 75,000 and your initial outlay is 200,000. Okay, as you scroll down, as you cover all this, right now we are in IRR. Okay, how to calculate? This is a formula. Initial outlay equal to cash flow PVIFA. Remember this using PVIFA tables. Okay, PVIFA table as you can see on your right side. The table of PVIFA. Don't do any careless mistake. You take POFF. It's wrong. It is PVIFA. Alright. Now your initial outlay for project X is 200,000. Remember the question, the cash flow for project X constant 75,000. And I is the IIR that you want to find. What is our I? That is the calculation now. You want to get the I, internal rate of return. Okay, and what is your N? N is based on the question. If the question give you 4 years in the table, so you have to use 4. If the question give you 5, you use 5. However, as you can see in the question, this is your I cash flow, this is your IO, and how many years? It is 4 years. Okay, so based on the question, you got 4 years, total years, 4 years. And remember how to move this. 75,000 you move here, you divide 200,000, you will divide 75,000, then you will get 2.667. Okay, now use interpolations. I've teach in class, but never mind, I recall the formula. So this is formula for interpolations. A plus A minus B, A minus C times C minus A. So you how? Alright, from here, this is the indicator. You use 4 years just now, correct? Because the question asks you to calculate for 4 years. So from here, now you can check the PVIFA tables as you can see on the right side. Alright, please open your PVIF tables and we check together. Okay, which year we want to see? You see, year 4. PVIFA table, year 4. You see, I have this year 4. Get it? This is my year 4. Okay, now the point is 2.667. Try to find in the table which one is 2.667. Okay, 1, 2, which one? This not, this is not. We continue. Okay, this percent, no, 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 no. Proceed, proceed. 2.69. Alright, we want 2.6667. But the problem here, from 2.69, it proceed to 2.5887. We want to find exact figure. On the left, you see 2.667. So this is between 18 to 20. You see? So you highlight it. I want you to highlight. That means the figure is between here. So how to extract the information? You see this A. Okay. When you scroll down, you see this A. 18% because it's between. B that we want to find our I. This is our I. Okay, and then between 18 to 20. You see, A 18%. It is 2.6901. Okay, I'm so sorry, 2.6901. And then your B that we want to find is 2.667. And last, between 20%, 2.5887. Okay, 2.5887. Alright, after you have extract the information, remember class. Okay, 2.6901 is your A, B, C. You see, 2.69, 2.66, 2.55 is decreasing. Okay, remember, you cannot, if you face like this, example A 2.69, B 2.7, increase, then suddenly C decrease, cannot. That means A to C must decrease or increasing trend or decreasing. So in this case it's correct, 2.69, 2.66 and 2.58. So you want to find what is the exact percentage for this figure. Okay, so this is our aim. Okay, class. Now we extract to the interpolations. A is what? 18. Alright, your A correct, 2.6901, and then your B 2.67. Okay, divide by A minus C. A is 2.6901 minus 2. Correct, 2.5887 minus times with C minus A, 20 minus 18. So when you calculate, you will get 18.46%. Alright, I want you to try to calculate again the figure, because I've changed some figure here. So probably maybe the answer is different. But the step is like this. So I repeat, you extract the information, international outlay, cash flow for year 4. How to find year 4? Based on the question, how many questions in the table? If the question is 4, you put 4. Then after you get this figure, remember to check in the table at year 4 as well. So you find which number near to these figures. You see, it is between here. Okay, you cannot find the exact figure. So never mind, you can take this between 18 to 20. Sub to the interpolation information, 18 and 20. 2.69, and then C is 2.87. B that we want to find is 2.67. Then you adjust sub to the formula. Remember, I want you to divide first. This divide this, and then divide by this minus 3. This minus this, divide this minus this. Then you get the answers. You times with this first, then you plus with your 18. There is a mathematical rules. Okay, and remember, don't change to be 0.18. Maintain with 18. You ignore the percentage. So when it comes to your mistake, student 0.2 minus 0.18. No need. You can ignore the percentage. You use only 20 minus 18 in your calculator, and then you get your answers. And make sure your answers is between 18 to 20. If you got 20 to something wrong there. So the answer must be between 18 to 20, because the table says so. Alright, that's all for IRR. Please don't do any careless mistake. Please memorize all the formula for IRR, including interpolation formula. Okay, so that's all for IRR for capital budgeting. Please memorize the formula for capital budgeting. Alright, so for the theory part, please class, read, read and read. Alright, you need to know both methods have their own advantage and disadvantages. Okay, very important. So please read and share it in the class. Thank you.